Hello, everybody. Today we're going to cover chapter 2. What are some of the outcomes? Here we actually want to talk about nonverbal messages and communication. We want to also explain how behavioral theories about human needs, trust, and disclosure and motivation relate to business communication. We're going to identify aspects of effective listening. And we're going to talk about the factors affecting group and team communication. Finally, we're going to discuss aspect of effective listening. Before we start, let's actually talk about behavioral theories that impact communication. Interpersonal intelligence is ability to read, emphasize, and understand others. That is very important. One theory that your book is going to talk about is a theory presented by Maslow. Maslow was a theorist, a psychologist, that actually categorized person's need based on few different levels. The first level is lower level, relates to your very basic need, such as your need to have a shelter, your need to have food, your need to actually have safety, have a place to live. And then the next level is going to be the upper level needs. Every person needs to actually be socially connected. You have ego or esteem need. For example, you like to be regarded as something. You like your identity to be a certain thing. And actually, and after that comes self-actualization. Self-actualization, according to him, is when you can actually actualize all your potential and do what you need to do. What actually based on Maslow's hierarchy of need satisfies employees tend to be more productive. So based on Maslow's hierarchy of need, we can kind of understand that once the people's physiological and security is secured, then they have other needs, and how we can actually come to address those needs. For example, in an organization, a person needs to be socially connected. They want to be respected and regarded. And if you want to talk about self-actualization, is this company enables me to show my full potential or be the person that I want to be. So this is actually solely made for the purpose of this training, and this will end here. Thank you.